Hello friends, today we will discuss on the matrices. First we will define the the matrix. Then we will discuss on the special type of the matrices. See, what is the definition of the matrix? See, in this definition, the matrix is an arrangement of mn numbers. The matrix is an arrangement of mn numbers in n rows and n columns and is enclosed within a bracket. That is, here matrix is an arrangement of the mn numbers in m rows and n column and is enclosed in a square bracket, is enclosed in a square bracket or in a round bracket, then is called a matrix of order m by n. Then is called a matrix of order is m by n. Here m is the rows and n is the columns. And the numbers occurring in the matrix, is called the elements of the matrix. See, in this square bracket having elements 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. Here the elements 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. These are the elements of the matrix. Here the number of rows is 3 and the number of columns is 3. Therefore this matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. But in general, the matrix is an arrangement of mn numbers in m rows and n columns and is enclosed in a square bracket or in a round bracket. Is called a matrix of order m by n. And the numbers occurring in a matrix are called the elements of the matrix. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. These are the elements of the matrix. In the definition of the matrix is an arrangement of the numbers in m rows and n columns and is enclosed within the bracket. The bracket is a square bracket or it is the round bracket. Then is called a matrix of order m by n. And the numbers occurring in a matrix are called the elements of the matrix. See, in this note, the matrix is denoted by the capital letter such as A, B, C, etc. Suppose this is a matrix having elements 1, 2, 2, 3, and this matrix is generally denoted by the capital letter A or capital letter B, etc. or capital letter C. Okay? This matrix is generally denoted by the capital letters. Second, if Aij denote an element, here Aij denote an element in the ith row and jth column. In the definition, we say that the matrix is an arrangement of the number in m rows and n column. In the definition, we say that matrix is an arrangement of mn number in m rows and n column. Here see, Aij denote an element of the matrix. Here Aij denote an element in ith row and jth column of the matrix A. Here the matrix is denoted by the capital letter A and order is m by n and order is m by n. Then the matrix A is written as say the matrix is A. and here Aij denote an element. Here Aij denote an element of matrix A in ith row and jth column. Say the first element A11, second element is A12, third element is A13, up to so on A1n, up to so on A1n. This is the first row. Now second row A21, A22, A23, up to so on A2n. This is the second row A31, A32, A33, up to so on A3n. Then up to so on, say here the matrix A of order is m by n. That is m is the row. That is m is the row and n is the column. Okay, and n is the column. Therefore, the last row. Here m is the row and n is the column. Therefore, we denote it by AM1. The last row is, that is mth row. That is AM1, AM2, AM3, up to so on AMN. Up to so on AMN. Okay. Here Aij denote an element in ith row and jth column of the matrix A and is of order is m by n. And the matrix is written as, first the matrix A is equal to having element A11, A12, A13 up to so on A1n. Here the second row A21, A22, A23 up to so on A2n, up to so on AMN, and this matrix is of order is m by n. See, here the first element is A11. Here having the double suffixes. Here the first suffix. Here the first suffix is 1, showing the row, and here also the second suffix is also 1, showing the column. That is, this one, the first element is the first row, first column. The second element is A12, having the double suffixes. The first suffix showing the row, and the second suffix is 2, showing the column. That is the first row, second column. A13, here having the double suffixes. The first suffix show the column, the first suffix showing the row, and second suffix is the 3, showing the column. That is the first row, third column. Up to so on, the last element is A1n, having the double suffixes. The first suffix is 1, showing the row, and the second suffix is the n, showing the column. That is the first row, nth column. Second element, that is in second row. Here having the double suffixes. The first suffix is 2, showing the row, and the second suffix showing the column. That is the second row, first column. A22, second row, second column. A23, second row, third column. Second row, nth column. Third row, A31, the third row, first column. Third row, second column. A33, third row, third column. Up to so on A3n. Okay, the first suffix showing the row and the second suffix showing the column. That is the third row, nth column. Up to so on the last row. That is the nth row, first column. The first suffix showing the row and the second suffix is 1, showing the column. That is the nth row, first column. nth row, second column, nth row, third column, up to so on. The last element is mth row and nth column. Here the last element is AMN, that is m row and nth column. Here the first suffix is m, showing the row, and second suffix is n, showing the column, that is AMN is nth row, nth column. Okay, and this matrix A is of order is m by n. Okay, here the matrix is of order is m by n, and this one is equal to Aij of order is m by n. Here A is equal to Aij of order is m by n. Here Aij denote an element of a matrix A, that is here in ith row and jth column of the matrix A, and this matrix A having order m by n, and this matrix is of order is m by n. Therefore here we write is equal to Aij is a matrix of order m by n. Okay, here A is equal to Aij is of order is m by n, that is a matrix of order is m by n. Okay, here we note that the matrix is generally denoted by the capital letter such as A, B, C, etc. And here Aij denote an element of the matrix in ith row and jth column, and can be written as A is equal to Aij of order is m by n, that is this one be a matrix of order is m by n. Now we will discuss on type of matrices. First is the row matrix. What is the row matrix? The row matrix, the matrix containing only one row. The matrix containing only one row is called a row matrix. That is, A is equal to the Aij of order is 1 by n. That is, nth row and nth column. Here, one row and n column. Here A is equal to Aij of order is 1 by n, then is called a row matrix. Here M is row, that is M is equal to the 1, that is 1 row and n column. Okay, then here A is equal to Aij of order is 1 by n is called a row matrix. For example, here having elements row wise element 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is only one row and 3 column 1, 2, 3. That is, this matrix is 1 by 3 matrix. Second matrix having element 3 and 5. Here having only one row and 2 columns. That is this one is 1 by 2 matrix. This one is 1 by 3 matrix. Okay, are the examples of the row matrices. Are the example of row matrix. In a column matrix, a matrix containing only one column is called a column matrix. That is, here A is equal to Aij. Aij be an element of the matrix A. But here, in a column matrix, a matrix containing only one column. Therefore, its of order is m by 1. Here, order is m by 1. Then is called column matrix. Is called a column matrix. For example, a matrix containing only one column then is called a column matrix. For example, see, in a square bracket having elements 1, 2, 4. Here having 3 rows and 1 column, that is this one is 3 by 1 matrix. 4, 5. Here having 2 rows and 1 column. 2 rows and 1 column are column matrices, are the example of column matrices. See, in column matrix, a matrix containing only one column is called a column matrix, or A is equal to Aij of order is m by 1. That is, m is the row and 1 is the column. That is, here the matrix Aij of order is m by 1 is called a row matrix. For example, see, in this matrix, this is the 3 by 1 matrix, that is 3 rows and 1 column, that is 3 by 1 matrix. Second matrix having element 4 and 5, this is a column matrix, that is, this one is 2 by 1 matrix, are the examples of the column matrix, are example of the column matrices. See, in a square matrix, a matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. What is the square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. That is, say A is equal to Aij, that is ith row and jth column. See, in the definition of the square matrix, the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. That is of order is n by n. Here A is equal to Aij. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Then is of order is n by n. That is, this matrix is of order is n. Then is called a square matrix. In a square matrix, a matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, then is called a square matrix. That is, A is equal to the Aij of order is n by n is called a square matrix. Then is called a square matrix. For example, say the matrix A is equal to having elements 2, 5, 3, 1. See, in this matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns, that is, the number of rows is 2 and the number of columns is 2. Therefore, this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is an example of a square matrix. See, second example, the matrix B is equal to having elements 5, 7, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. See, in this example, having 3 rows, see, in this matrix, having 3 rows and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, this is also the example of square matrix. This is a square matrix because here the number of rows and the number of columns are equal. That is having 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, these are the examples of the square matrix. Now we define the diagonal matrix. What is the diagonal matrix? A matrix is a square matrix. In the diagonal matrix, a matrix is a square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are 0. In a diagonal matrix, it is a square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements here, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then is called a diagonal matrix. Say here A is equal to Aij is a square matrix, that is of order is n by n, is called a diagonal matrix, is called a diagonal matrix if the element Aij is equal to the 0, if I is not equal to the j. Here the matrix A and Aij with the elements of the matrix A of order is n by n, that is this will be a square matrix and is called a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to the 0, if I is not equal to j, then this is a diagonal matrix. For example, see here this one be a matrix. See, having element is A11. See, A is a matrix having first element is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. This is a square matrix of order is 3 by 3. Okay, see, in the definition, Aij is equal to the 0. That is, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then is called a diagonal matrix. Here, Aij is equal to the 0. The element is equal to the 0 if I is not equal to the j. See, here the diagonal entries. These are the diagonal elements. A11, A22, A33 are the diagonal elements. But here 1 is equal to the 1, 2 is equal to the 2, 3 is equal to the 3. But here the non-diagonal elements, all the non-diagonal elements are 0. See, here the first row, second column, A12, that is 1 is not equal to 2, 1 is not equal to the 3. This is the non-diagonal element. 2 is not equal to the 3. That is, this is non-diagonal element. Then this one is equal to the 0. This one is equal to the 0. A23, 2 is not equal to the 3. Then this one is equal to the 0. A21, 2 is not equal to the 1. Then this is a non-diagonal element equal to 0. A32, 2 is not equal to 3. This is the non-diagonal element. A31, this is the non-diagonal element. That is, in the definition, it is a square matrix. But all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then it's called a diagonal matrix. If A is equal to the Aij, is of order is n by n, is called diagonal matrix. If Aij is equal to the 0, if I is not equal to the j. Okay, for example, suppose the matrix A is equal to, the non-diagonal elements are 0, but let's say the diagonal element is 1. The non-diagonal elements are 0. Here, the second element is 2. Sorry, this one is non-diagonal element. A12 is a non-diagonal element. Then this one is equal to the 0. A13, this one is equal to the 0. Diagonal elements, say this one is 2. This one is 5. non-diagonal elements are the 0. Okay, this one be a 3 by 3 matrix. Here all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Second example, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, we will take 2 by 2 matrix. Here 2, 2. This one non-diagonal element are 0. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, are the examples of the diagonal matrix. In a diagonal matrix, it is a square matrix and all the non-diagonal elements. In a diagonal matrix, it is a square matrix and all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then this is called a diagonal matrix. Okay, and these are the examples of the diagonal matrix. In diagonal matrix, A is equal to 0 if I is not equal to J.